CrazyMikesapps.com with an iPad app video demo for Frenchie Draws. Kids will learn while having fun drawing, coloring, solving problems with this unique iPad education app featuring 50 fun activities, a large variety of coloring papers, and a fun French flair. As we get into the activities in this kids education app, I chose a Color Me activity. I access that by tapping on the connect the dot red icon on the left side. You can use the color palette on the right side to pick the colors. Just tap on the color you would like, and then kids can use an eraser, chalk, pencil, marker, brush, or crayon to do their coloring. They all have a little bit of a different coloring effect, and I'll show you each of those in just a moment. Use the eraser to clean up outside of the lines. You can also use different colors to draw over a different color. You can see that also helping kids to fine-tune the real minutiae areas or the thin areas like I'm doing now with the orange color. This app allows you also to use the camera to save to your photo gallery, or kids can, once they are complete with their masterpiece. It shows up on an easel, and you can see that it also goes into the camera roll. Now tapping on the connect the dot icon on the left side, and another activity pops up. This is find the 5 differences. There are a large variety of activities, 50 overall. Connect the dots, find the differences, coloring pages. You can shake to erase, and it will always ask you if you want to erase. Now these are the different coloring papers. There are a large variety. You access them at the icon below the back button in the top left. Also, here's a look at all of the different tools. Chalk, and I'm using the actual tool itself, whether it's chalk, pencil, marker in this case, using a different color so you can get an idea of how each of the tools works. Also, I'm going to show you the eraser in just a moment. Now, Frenchie, the piece of French toast on the bottom right is there. Also, to delete, you have a garbage can on the left side, and you know the photo. Again, connect the dots to access the activities, and the papers button there to access the different papers. Now, the papers can be used with all the different activities. There's also a freestyle or blank paper where kids can just draw using their own creativity. Shake to erase or use the garbage can. It always prompts you for a question whether you want to do that. Now here's another activity. It's a connect the dot, and you can see I changed the color background for the paper just using the paper icon on the top left. Once you're done with this, I can go ahead and color it because it's a banana. I use the typical banana colors, creating my masterpiece. Now each of the activity sheets has an explanation at the bottom. In that case, it was connect the dots. Now we're going into free draw or freestyle. Kids can draw whatever they like. They can change the color and type of paper by tapping on the paper icon in the top left, and they can draw anything they want. I drew a ship here. This app helps kids in the early development learning stages. It helps them solve problems, explore their fantasies with drawings, and other things like that. Frenchie Draws is available in the iTunes App Store, and you can download it using the link in the description below. Until next time, Crazy Mike from Crazy Mike's Apps saying see ya.